Usually there used to be one or two checkpoints. At least 7 is what I had to cross, and in order to get from the last checkpoint to here, we had to be escorted by the Taliban men. They checked us thoroughly. So visibly there are increased security measures, but yes, the threat of another suicide bomber or another attack remains active. On the other hand, these threat alerts were nothing new. We've seen them coming in from this past Sunday. The French intelligence was the first to flag this, that ISKP can possibly target the Kabul International Airport, followed by the arrest on Tuesday that was done from the east gate that is right in front of me. The 4 ISKP members were arrested from the east gate. That is what the Taliban had claimed. Zabiullah Mujahid, the Taliban spokesperson, when he was asked this question on Tuesday during his press conference, I was there as well, he had ducked this question. So after that, we saw that a number of other countries had been putting in threat alerts after threat alerts. The latest being that at 4:30 a.m. at Kabul time, where we saw multiple threat alerts coming in from the US. It was followed by UK, then Australia, then France, and other European countries as well. But those threat alerts were basically not given any heed to by the local public, which continued to flock in a bid to flee in desperation. And today we're seeing, as I said, the second explosion that took place. It literally took place at the point where we've been reporting earlier today at the canal of the Baron Gates, Baron Hotels backside. We've been showing those footages. We've been reporting people crossing the sewer in desperation in order to get to the military site, to inside that base, and that is exactly what where the second explosion has taken place. Fatima?
Right. Anas, have the Taliban said anything?
Well, they've said that they've beefed up security measures. There is no official statement as yet, but this blast, these explosions are speculated to be done by the IS, given the increased number of security threats or intelligence assessments that were issued by foreign intelligence agencies. On Sunday, the French side, when it had put out its intelligence assessment that ISKP can attack, they had given the justification or the reasoning that since the IS was fighting the US and now the Taliban controls Kabul, and that they are in coordination with the US. Therefore, there is a higher probability of the ISKP, the Islamic State of Khorasan province, attacking the Kabul airport in order to inflict damage on the Taliban and B, the US side. The Taliban, as we speak, the local commanders say that they had received threat alerts. They've been asking people to stay away, and they say that on their side of the fence or on their side of the guard, that is not where the explosion has taken place. Alkima?
Right, Anas. And we know that the Taliban have a lot of experience in perpetrating such attacks, but I'm not sure how equipped they are to be able to handle the aftermath of such an attack. Are there systems in place to ensure that the people who've been injured and the people who need immediate medical help get it in Kabul?
Well, just 3 days ago, the Taliban had reinstated